Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Today I created this dark soul trails effect in UE5 Niagara. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, like, share, and comment. I have this empty map. I have saved this here in my folder, dark soul trails. This is empty map. And then I have this animation which I have downloaded from here, Mixamo, and I have this mannequin character. So I just uploaded it here and then choose the animation from here. This is standing tone, and then I have imported it so you can see this animation here. Okay, so I can just drag it into the viewport, and this is how it looks. It looks a bit darker, so we can add more lights. Um, Visible. Yeah, maybe five or three. 1.5. Yeah, that's now the character is proper visible. So now let's start the effect. So what I want with this animation, if you see here, okay, so at this action, I